Hello, this is your coding kuya, your coding partner.
Hi guys, once again, this is your coding kuya. In today's video, we will discuss about the news, the articles that we read last couple of weeks. But prior to that, there is announcement from Accenture. Their CEO announced that they will invest in AI. So who cares? Most of the companies invest in AI. Small, medium companies are investing in AI. This is a trend. They don't want to be behind, right? So they will go with the flow. The thing is, a couple of weeks we read an announcement that Accenture launched a new C-suite level position, and that is Chief AI Officer. According to the article, they will invest $3 billion. They are freaking serious. This is a big deal because if they invest big, of course, they need a lot of developer. They will upscale, but upscaling their workforce is not enough, so they will hire from outside the company. And that's the good thing because this company takes a lead by investing and expect that many companies will follow. Big companies will follow. And in the coming months and years, there's a massive hiring of AI specialists. Believe me, because that's a trend, right? Everyone wants to embrace this AI trend. The good thing is, be excited to this because there's a lot of hiring. There's a massive hiring for Python programmers, Python developers, AI, not just developer, but AI related job like prompt engineer, data analyst, and many more positions. So the only question now is, are you ready to this wave, right? Sometimes we feel bad, we feel sad because we are not in this position, we are not in this particular skill set. But this will run not only for this year or next year, in a couple of years, but it will run for maybe, for me, this is a trend for 10 years. So you have enough time to study or upskill. And the good thing is, you're not late. You're not late, you have enough time if you will start it today. Start learning today. If you are serious and you want to learn more, especially in Python and data analytics, machine learning, AI, just subscribe in this channel because that's our topic. I already started our Python series, so you can learn from there. So if you are interested in this kind of video, subscribe, like, click the bell button, and share. Until next time, this is your Coding Kuya.